What do I say when I meet someone for the first time? I think this is one of the hardest moments in English. You want to sound friendly, but not strange. You want to sound natural, but not too complicated. And sometimes your mind goes completely blank.
You're not alone. Many beginners worry about two things: saying the wrong words and not knowing how to continue the conversation. The good news is that meeting someone for the first time usually uses very simple English. Let's start with the easiest greeting: hi or hello. That is often enough. If you want to be a little warmer, you can say, hi, I'm Anna, or hello, I'm Ben.
So I should not say something long like, nice to meet you, my respected friend from this beautiful place.
No, please don't.
Oh, good. I was worried.
But here's the mistake many beginners make. They try to sound fancy, and they become less natural. After the greeting, you can say, nice to meet you. That is a very common phrase. If someone says, hi, I'm Leo, you can say, hi, Leo. Nice to meet you.
Okay, but after nice to meet you, then what? That is the part that makes many learners freeze.
Use easy questions like, how are you? Or how's your day? You can also ask, where are you from? Or what do you do?
So I can say, hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Yes, that sounds very natural.
And the other person can say, I'm good, thanks. And you?
Exactly. That small reply is very common. It keeps the conversation moving. Let's make it real. Imagine you meet someone at school or work. You can say, hi, I'm Ben. I'm new here. Then you can ask, is this your first time here, or do you work here? These are simple, practical questions. They help you start a real conversation without pressure.
What if I want to be polite?
Great question.
Can I say, excuse me?
Yes, excuse me is very useful when you want attention politely.
And if I want to leave?
Then you can say, it was nice meeting you. That is polite and natural. Here's a small grammar and phrase point. We say, nice to meet you, when it is the first time. Later, if you see the same person again, you usually do not say that again. You might say hi again, or good to see you. Nice to meet you is for the first time. Good to see you is for later.
Okay, let me try. Hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you. How are you? Where are you from? It was nice meeting you.
Perfect. That sounds friendly, simple, and natural.
Really?
Yes, and notice something important. You did not need difficult English to sound good. Let's repeat the pattern one more time in a different situation. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. How are you? What do you do? If you do not understand the answer, you can say, sorry, can you say that again? That is another very useful beginner phrase.
Before we finish, let's review everything. First, say hi or hello. Second, say I'm and your name. Third, say nice to meet you. Fourth, ask a simple question like, how are you? Fifth, end politely with, it was nice meeting you.
Great review. Remember, first meetings do not need perfect English. They need clear, friendly English. So keep it simple, smile, and start speaking.
Thanks for listening. Practice these phrases today, and your next first meeting will feel much easier.